Hi, in this session, we will be using cost elements to record the plan cost. So let's check in the system. To access the cost plan, you need to come to easy access, then accounting, then you have to go to investment management, investment projects. In investment projects, you have planning. So planning, we need to select cost and activity inputs, and the transaction code is CJR2. Double click that. So yeah, so for this project, let's try to record the plan cost at the at the cost element level. So here I'll select level WBS 1. Then let me select the cost elements. So my cost, let me assume it has 50,000 and this has 15,000. Okay, so now this is recorded. So let me go to WBS 2 and again let us record for 5,03,000 cost element. Okay, let me assume this has 40,000 and this has 20,000. Enter. The system is taking it. Let's save that. So one thing you need to understand here is when you are planning a project, when you are planning a cost, so you need to select the WBS to which you want to plan the cost. So if you select the parent WBS, what will happen is system, what will do is it will show the cost at the top level, but not the not like I mean it will not show you the breakdown in the screen, overview screen. If you go, it will not show you the breakdown. Like if I assume, like here I have option of selecting like as many as cost elements, but I cannot, I can only select one WS. Under that I need to select each cost element. Okay, so for this again I will record some cost, say 10,000. So now it's saved. So for level 4, the reason is why I'm selecting is when I access the report, you can see on each level of the WBS the cost. Okay, so let me take 40,000 for this and save. For 5th, let me take the cost for 5 also. Fine. So now I have created the cost plan using the cost element. Okay, so I'll go to CJ40. Here I will select the project. So on the right side you can see system is showing me the cost. So I'll try to post the cost for the level like WBS03. Okay, so let me go back here. I will try to post some cost on this. Same procedure, we need just select WBS. Here we can select the range of the cost element, come to the overview. Here let's select and I'll put the cost. So below you can see the system is throwing a message saying that lock or a problem have occurred. So Why the system is not accepting the cost at the level 3? The reason is at the project level, I have not taken. One second. I'll open the project CJ20N. Then, sorry, I will open my project. Then, okay. So I need to just come out from this screen so that my project will be accessible. This is level 3. So if you see the operative indicators, as we discussed before, planning element is for making a cost plan, account assignment and alignment is for recording the actual. So here you can see it is selected for 4, it is selected for 5, for 3 it is not selected. So that is the reason system is throwing error. I need to save this. I need to mark this checkbox, save this, and come out of the project. And here, if I come back again, and now again I'll retry to post some cost. So now you can see system is not throwing error. Instead, it was, before it was just making the value as 0. The reason was the planning element was not assigned. Okay, so now I can save. So I can go now to CJ40. Here I can check the cost plan for each WBS. So here you can see. So this is my cost plan using cost element. Okay, so to make it, cost plan in a hierarchy, I just need to select this. I need to go to edit. I need to say copy the value. So here I'll select the cumulative. So let me select as a 90%. So now here you can see my 90% value, cost plan value is selected. Okay, so to make the total, I'll just go edit. So I need to select the column, then I just go to edit, then total up. I'll say continue. So this is my cost. Okay, and if I again want to, suppose I say no, this is not the value. I just want to make it as 100%. So again, I need to make select all. I need to come here and copy view. So here I need to select the cumulative and I'll override that saying 100%. So now I will go back again, make the total up. So continue. So this, yeah. So this is how, you can make the cost plan using cost element. So now let's go to the report and check how our cost element, looks like. So to access the report, what you need to do is you have two options. First, either you can go to accounting, project structure. Below you have information system. Here you can access the reports. Okay. So here system give us the option of information system, cost. You need to come plan based, hierarchical, by cost element. So we made a plan using cost elements. So we can select one of the report. Okay, we need to give the project number. Let me just check if any indicators or criteria we need to select. No. Here below I will select the range of cost elements. Okay, this is my project. Controlling area, plan version, controlling CO version, and this is fiscal year and period from period 1 to period 12, and this is my cost element. I am executing the report. So here you can see now my plan values. Okay, so this is my plan value using cost element. And here you can see my cost element for training expense. I have 90,000. For salaries, I have 40,000. Like this, you can use the cost element and make the plan. Okay. So let me check one more report. Here again, I'll select the cost elements. I'll run the report. So yeah, so this is it. Okay.